So I am not sure what we're doing today, but I got a dishwasher. So my apartment is so small that I can't even fit this box through this hallway. And that is a cat box. We do not shit in there. And that is a cat. Hey Rob, what's up, dude? That is the dishwasher. Gotta get that shit over there. We're cleaning the house this week because Kelly's parents are gonna stay here and we're gonna stay in the hotel. So the plan is for me to use this Concept Helix, get it out of that box, and then bring it through here because it'll be smaller. I guess I got a helper, man. I guess I have a helper here. Come on, buddy. Come on. Don't mess with the camera. Robbie. Oh shit, that came apart real easily. I don't have to do shit. Wow, this is pretty fucking big, man. So this is how crazy my friends are. My homie sends me video games in an envelope through USPS. Hey, don't do that! I guess you should open it up. I'll use the Pilar one. Dude, my friends are awesome. These are games. Thank you very much. But this is The Witcher 3. I've always wanted to try that. Got Darksiders. I don't even know which one it is. I feel like one of those old guys now where I have to take my glasses off so I could look at things up close. We got Xenoblade Chronicles 2. And we got Bayonetta. Alright, I mean, I think I'm gonna try The Witcher first, man, you know? We gonna see. Download update. So, today, I thought we weren't going out at all. But this crazy gal is like, we gotta get food, we gotta do this, we gotta do that. I thought we were cleaning the house. But, yeah, gonna grab China Jade, Best Buy, CVS, all this boring stuff, and we're gonna clean the house.
Yay!
And who's this? Also filming me with her new Samsung phone. Fuck iPhone.
Yeah.
We were taking a picture. So, you're really into this wedding stuff, huh? Shut the fuck up! Stupid train conductor.
This guy.
I don't fucking like massages.
What do you mean you don't like this sound?
I just don't. Just massage my dick.
That's what I do.
We are doing the same thing every week on these vlogs.
Yeah.
And I hope that people keep watching. I mean, the video quality is improved. I've got better stabilization now.
My face is still fantastic.
So you're getting a new plunger. And what is that thing called that you use to fucking...
The scrub brush.
Scrub brush, yeah. Who do you think is more likely to clog the
My
toilet? Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you looking at me like that?
What do you mean?
What is going on? This is what I'm marrying. So, what are you excited about the most with this wedding?
Getting a puppy.
I'm waiting for it to be over. I've been kidnapped into Victoria's Secret by this little goblin right here. Is that for me?
Yeah.
What am I doing here? So I'm gonna be trying to get a shaver in Best Buy. Just a quick tip. When buying electronics, it's good to get it from here because you can get like the protection and they will replace that shit if you break it. That dude climbing, boy. Climbing, boy. Oh, this is lizard, yo.
That's like the one I was supposed to get.
Dude is asleep right now. Yo. Lizard, yo.
Chinese water dragon.
Good Chinese water dragon. Got tortoises. Just chilling. Hi, puppy.
What's that? Oh, I pointed to you. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to
Ribbit, dude. Get engaging in a homoerotic activity. What are you doing, bro? Hi, buddy. How's it going? Am I getting married, son? Am I getting fucking married? To this?
I'm not.
What? The fuck is going on in here?
Yes, we are. Go. Don't say anything.
What the fuck? I'm trying to watch Beckett over here, bro. We gonna watch Beckett. Word. Think this movie's gonna be good, babe?
I have no idea. All I know is it's...
Let's go!
Yo, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so we can squad up in the comments.